How to receive money on Payoneer. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can receive money on Payoneer. Okay, to receive money on Payoneer is very simple. The first thing to do is to log in into your Payoneer's account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. And at the left side of your own page, you'll see a menu displaying home, gets paid, pay, Pioneer cards, withdrawal and transfer account activity, bank accounts, business networks. Next for you to do is to click on get paid. Okay, so once you click on get paid, you'll be brought to the get paid page where you see request a payment. Okay, so just click on it. Now once you click on it, you'll be brought to request a payment page. For you to be able to request payment, you have to ensure that you have received at least $5,000 in your account already. Okay, you have to ensure you meet this criterion. Now once you've met this criterion, your page, your request a payment page would not be appearing as this. This is appearing because I have not met the criteria. All right, so ensure you have at least $5,000 at first, and then once you've received this, once you click on request a payment, you'll be brought to a page where you would uh get a payment request. All right, just click on it. Once you click on it and send it to your clients will receive an email with your parent request and a link to the online payment application. Okay, so your clients can submit the payment either online, that is using that online payment application, or through their bank. Whichever way they do it, you receive the payments directly to your Payoneer's account. It is that simple. Okay, so this is how you can receive payments on Payoneer. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.